Hello guys, welcome to Tech Learn It. Today we will continue our drawing with the part 3. So today what we will do is starting with chhaja. I will show you how to make the chhajas. So we have one sample of chhaja from our previous drawing. So I will take the dimension quickly. If you have any doubt in my videos, just put in the comment box and subscribe the channel Tech Learn It. So I have the dimensions of this chhaja. So what I need to do is I need to put this chhaja on this window. So it is shade like dashed line because it's not a solid part. What plan is showing is only the base part, like till the lintel level. Okay, no, till the sill level it is showing. So what we need to do is we need to draw the chhaja with the dashed line. So how to do the dashed line is I have already taught you in my previous videos, please refer that. So here I have already this dashed line. I will select this, then I'll go to the layer properties. In this I have already created one layer as chhaja. So I have all the things loaded. So I'll go to the line command, I'll enter. Now if I will click, it will come as chhaja. Okay, just to show you as an example. Okay, so we'll start creating chhaja. So I'll go there first. Remember, put ortho on. Okay, it's 0.2. Enter. This side is 0.6. Enter. This side is 1.4. It's not necessary, you can put any kinds of dimensions according to the designs, according to the architecture, how you want. So this is how we will create the chhaja. So it's done. What we need to do is we need to copy paste it to other windows. How we will do is cp enter, click this point and click this point. It's done. Just to save your time, I have already done it to all the windows. Only what I need to do is just to copy and paste. For these different directions, I need to rotate the chhaja by using ro rotate command. Similarly, you also can do the same thing. Now I will go for ladders. Okay, staircases, not ladders, staircases. So what I'll do is put it as normal by layer, then I'll start creating staircase. It is dog leg staircase. The dimensions are shown here. I'll put one straight line first. It's starting from this point to this point. O, enter, enter. I'll put as 1.2, enter. Again I will take 0.1, enter. So now just to verify DIM, I'll check this side also 1.2. Yeah, it's correct. So now it depends on you the width of the threads and like risers. You have to decide, you have to design. It's up to you. In elevation or section elevation part, you need to decide that. You need to do the calculations as per the design. So I'll take first like dimension DIM for the threads. It's 0.3. It's a standard. Okay, so I'll go for offset command. O, enter. I'll go for multiple offsets. O, enter. This time no need to do double enter, I'll click on this first. I'll put 0.3 means 300 mm. It means 300 is saved. Then I click. Then I go for multiple. Here is the option for multiple. I'll click on this. Then I start clicking it continuously. That's it. So here it depends how many staircases you want, how many number of threads and number of risers you want. And we'll come to the landing part. DIM enter. Sorry, DIM enter. We'll check how much is the landing. It's 1.2 again. So we'll see DIM. Just by approximations, I did offset, multiple offsets. It's correct, okay? So now what you need to do is trim the remaining lines, trim this, trim the middle lines also till here, okay? Now what you need to do is select all the lines with the green selection, okay? Because I need to select all these lines and change the layers. Layer as staircase. I have already created it, so no need to create it again. Now what I need to put is these arrows to specify from where it will start and where it will end. So you can give any kind of arrow, depends on the design and depends on the architectural views and structural designs. So we'll go to the simple line. I'll enter. Ortho is on. You can go just random. Like specifically, it's just for denotion. They're denoting the line. Like how the people will move, how the person will go, which direction it is. So we'll go for POL to make the triangle. Number of sides as 3. I have already done this video also for polygons. Just refer that video. TR enter. I am doing just random, okay? I'll just copy this. CP enter. Click on the object, enter. I'll pick this point. Ortho is on. Okay. Anyway, this direction is wrong. Okay. I need to rotate this. In the previous drawing also it is wrong. So I'll rotate this in this direction. I'll move it here. Okay. So this is how staircase looks like. So dimensions I'll give later. This is how we have created till now from part 1. This is part 3. Okay. So we have done walls, windows, ventilators, chhaja and staircase. In the next part, I will teach you this hatching again. I have done already. You can just refer the video before watching part 4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe it and share the videos. Thank you.